What's up, guys? I am currently in the midst of unpacking, but I wanted to pause to film this intro. Today I wanted to upload a empty apartment tour because I think it's really fun just to see what an apartment looks like. We can go back and compare once we decorate. If you don't know me, my name is Anna. I make good. I guess we're gonna need a new light bulb. Anyway, I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, monthly vlog type videos on my channel. So if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you never miss a video. But anyway, my boyfriend and I just moved into our third apartment in San Francisco. So I wanted to do a quick empty apartment tour so you can see what it all looks like. So let's jump into it. So this is the view when you walk in the front door. To the right, there is a closet for coats. And then it's a big open floor plan, which I love. Here's our kitchen, stove, sink, all that stuff. Nothing very exciting here. But then we get into our living room and dining room. So I think what we're gonna do is put a table against this wall. I was thinking maybe even a bench seating for the back one, and then some like chairs around the side, but we'll have good space for a table. And then over here's the living room, and I love the fireplace. I think this is such a fun, like, central piece to the room. So we're gonna do TV above, and then we're trying to figure out the couch configuration. It'll either be kind of a small U-shaped couch, or we'll do a regular couch and then two big chairs on either side. Then over on the left, you have this cute little bar. So we're gonna do some bar stools, and then I think we're gonna get a little bar cart that goes right in this corner, and I think that'll be the perfect way to fill that space. And then over here is our first deck. I actually cannot figure out how to open this door, but this is the smallest of the three. I don't really know what we'll put there, but something probably, maybe. Over on the right is our way bigger deck. This is so fun. We love entertaining. So this one I did get to open. There we go. So this is huge. I can't go out on it because I actually just painted it today, but it's a really weird shape, but there's tons of space here. So I think we're gonna get like probably a table, maybe even some like chairs for tanning, I don't know. And we just have city views. So then, this is kind of a nothing area. I don't know what to do with it. So if you have suggestions, let us know. But the table's gonna be here. So I don't really know what to do with this area. You can't really block this door, so it might just be like an empty space, but I'd love to do something with it. So that's TBD. But that is the living area. Then that was the front door we walked in. To the right, we have a half bath. Not very exciting. We have some closets, which is nice just for storing like luggage, a little, I don't know, pantry type thing. And then we have in-unit washer dryer, which I've been waiting years for. I'm so excited. So that's amazing. And then down the hall, here is our housemate's room. This is the one that looks out on the big porch. He has access to it from his room as well. So this is his room. He's got his own bathroom. Still trying to figure, there you go, lights. Here's his bathroom. I actually like the setup of his better because it has more counter space, but we'll show you ours in a second. He has a shower. And then over here is his walk-in closet. So they have built-ins on both sides. And that's his room. Now for our room. So excited about this. So here it is. I love that it gets like nice natural light, but it's not like full-blown direct sunlight. It's just a little bit, I don't know, cozier, I guess. So right here, I think we're gonna put our bed. And then we've got this like these window sills. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but if you look out this way, we actually have a view of the Bay Bridge, which have this big balcony all to ourselves. I'm so excited about this. I can envision like a little table where I can come out, drink my coffee. We obviously need to clean this, it's really gross, but I think this is gonna be such a cute area just to like sit and wake up in the morning. I could honestly even do yoga out there. Like, how pretty is that? City views from the rest of the room. I think we're gonna put a dresser over here. And then, I don't really know, it's just an oddly long room with not a lot of depth. And so, yeah, we're gonna have to figure out where we wanna put our bed and everything and what other furniture we want here. I don't think we're gonna get a desk, so this is sort of TBD. And then we come into our bathroom. As you can see, there's a lot less counter space, which is going to be interesting because I use a lot of counter space. So maybe we'll find something that we can like tuck into this side that has more room. But we do have a tub, which is nice. And then lastly is our closet. This is where we've been putting all of our stuff. So excuse the mess, but we have a ton of hanging space. I don't really know what to do with these. These are so weird, but maybe like shoes and bags, and I don't really know. But that is our closet. And actually that's the entire apartment. So that was the apartment tour. We're so excited to start decorating. Donnie and I have very different styles, so it'll be interesting to see what we can agree on. But we welcome any suggestions that you guys have, so leave them in the comments below, letting us know what you think would look good. I'm definitely gonna be doing more videos about the apartment as we start to decorate it, and I do monthly vlogs like I said in the intro, so if you want to see more updates as this whole thing's progressing, if you're watching the intro, that light went off and now it's back on. So that's sketchy. We're gonna have to figure that out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I need to go leave in case this closet is haunted. So wish me luck and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.